Got my bread shot, nigga bread shots, nigga bread shots.
Shout out Platt for this beat, I'ma rip some.
I want 3 mansions and a yacht.
Is that all?
Tryna apply all the game I've been taught. From my mama to my grandmama and my pops. From the killers and the dealers and my OGs on lock. This I straight drop. Invested time to folks to get the greatest in return. Took me a while, but finally I learned. Play with fire long enough, then you gon' get burnt, little nigga. Only time I smile when the pack touchdowns. Used to be a good girl, now a house full of pounds. If shit get real, she gon' bust some rounds. Since my baby G'd up, and you know I'm Soulja down. It's a Cadillac sound. Keep that clear, baby, pass it out brown. I don't chase nothing with my Hennessy. They tell me why 12 keep fucking with me. Niggas envy a G. Dreads hanging out, the ski mask, ABG, and that's a big old fact. Fuck niggas force me to react, trying to be better because of my past. For these hoes, all these niggas do is cap, I make it happen to you. This ain't just rap. Savannah, Georgia, check the bottom of the map where the killers get killed and jackers get jacked. I keep it crackin' like pistachios. You can have a back, I don't want the hoe. Keep it old school, white tee and jabos. I'm from down by the river, call it sea pole. Catch me rollin' down the hottest script. Cruising through your city, somewhere in the brick. With some thorough niggas in the gutter, bitch. Politicking on ways that we bout to get rich. Call me a born hustler. Boss player, retired drug smuggler. Combat ready, camouflage soldier. Freelance baby from Savannah, Georgia. There's no game without risk. Get up off your ass and get on your shit. Don't depend on a nigga or a bitch. I was born broke, so I got to die rich. I just be coolin' like Chris Tucker, don't worry about the fuck I be doing. Like a tire that never blew out, I stay moving. Yeah, I was supplying, yeah, I was using. How you the shooter, you ain't did no shooting. These niggas pop bubblegum gang, who they foolin'? My niggas, they geeked off that molly, they gookin'. I tell them to shoot, I ain't talking about hoopin'. P to my guys. Yeah, I know y'all live in the sky. It's so much pain, you look deep in my eyes. So I keep my logs on while I'm riding on chrome, blowing on strong. He down in that Texas, they call it that pressure. Ride down that 20, I just left Odessa. Y'all thinking I'm slacking, but y'all need to catch up. Don't want me to fall, but I ain't gon' let up. Cause the nigga get close, he can meet that Beretta. Stop the street folk to go holler at my folk. Go pick up some smoke and get back on the road. Half of Mississippi, Alabama, and Atlanta. Now I'm on I-16 on my way to Seapole. J Platt told me to rip some. Told lil' bro, give me a beat, let me get some. Like a pit bull, nigga, I'm a sick some. Chop it, weigh it, bag it like some work flip some. 6 shots, leave a whole body numb. Like a solar eclipse, you never seen it come. Feds came through to my little cuz. Had me in the tailgate room and I ain't said nothing. Free, all the real ones on lock. Niggas got cap guns that go pop me. My niggas got shit to clear block. M16s coming straight out the box. Never leave home without it, we shell shock. Thug life, word to Tupac. I told you that I won't stop till I get my 3 mansions and a yacht.
And a yacht. That's all I want. I ain't asking for too much. Just leave me be. I don't fuck with motherfuckers anyway.
Hey, let me get that sound. Young Dion, nigga.